All right, so this is the market forecast for this week, and we have looks like an exciting week that we're going to have this week. Um, as you can see, everything from last week played out, and we are yet to get to the premium areas of DXY. That is discount for EURUSD and GBPUSD. So we're still on the way. Here in DXY, we have that we are pushing higher towards the daily bearish breaker and the daily bearish rejection block. I am not expecting it to go all the way to this rejection block. Just this breaker is my target. And then I'll start looking for signs of bearishness, right? Signs of bearishness. So here we have that price is currently in a 4-hour bullish order block. So I expect this to be respected. Tomorrow is when I'll be looking for opportunities, but I won't like to see this low over here violated. I expect to see it move higher from this area, but we'll just keep watching to see how it goes. And then for Euro USD, price has hit this 4-hour breaker block, and this high, I expect this high to remain intact. Okay, and then I expect to see price go lower from here. Take out these lows down here and most likely get down into this daily fair value gap, this daily order block, etc. Right? So for GBPUSD, we have that price has got into this 4-hour bearish order block as well, and I'll be expecting to see lower prices down into this daily fair value gap down here. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be looking to sell, down in here, and then from here I can now start looking to see higher prices. USDJPY, you can see down here. Look at the 1 hour charts. Last week I told you guys that this order block is where price is going to go higher from because of this daily order block, and you can see just that from here all the way to this stop here is about 150 pips move last week, which is awesome. And right now it fell just shy of this weekly high, and I do not know why. Okay, but I do not like this thing that I'm seeing here. I don't like it at all. So personally, I'm avoiding USDJPY. And for gold, you can see here that finally price has come down into all my targets from last week, and we've touched the daily order block and the monthly order block bullish. All right, and you can see the reaction from this daily order block. Immediately touched it, we have this strong move higher. So I'd be expecting price to come down in here tomorrow, and then I'll be buying. But I'd like to see price go above this resistance area here. Okay, this area, I would like to see price go above it, because if you don't go above it, it might keep falling, right? So I want to see strength from tomorrow. I can see the kind of dynamic movement I expected from here, this daily order block here. So I expect to see more strength coming in the coming weeks. So if you go above this high, then gold might just be running above all these highs over here. So if we go above here, if we go above here, then I would set my sights on a long-term target of all these highs, this 2000, this place where we retraced 2009, right? So I expect price to get back up into the 2000s again, right? So that's what I see for gold. Let me delete these. Excuse me. Let me just delete it like this. All right. So I added GBPJPY to my watch list. So this is the daily order block. this place that the price came down to. It is the daily order block. If I go higher, you can see here. So this is the daily time frame here. You can see that this is the daily order block, and you can see how price came down, touched it, came into this fair value gap because this candle has already mitigated this breaker block over here. There's a breaker block right here. Okay, so this candle has mitigated it. So the next candle to be mitigated is whatever other block that is inside here. Okay, so or you can just say leave it as the daily order block was touched, and then we now have that price sprung up from there. I went higher, and the target is obvious. The target is this daily highs over here. We're going to take it out to nines. Okay, by tomorrow this high should not be here anymore, and then we'll now shift our focus to these other highs back here. All right, so that is for GBPJPY. For US30, I took a trade on it today, and then I was stopped out prematurely. It went much farther than even my targets. You can watch my trades for today video. You can watch the video I showed you guys the trades I had for today, and you would see my trade on US30. All right, so in US30, we have price hitting this 4-hour order block and moving higher, and then the next place where price capitalized on was this breaker block here. Okay, so once it touched it, it went higher, and then the next thing is of course the next order block right there. Okay, it came down, and this was where I was interested in buying when it came down into it again. These order blocks here, it came down there, I took a buy position. All right, and then I got stopped out. I got stopped out at a point. Okay, and then I think, let me go down to the 1 minute time frame to see clearly. Okay, so I was buying it over here. I bought it here, down here. Okay, so you can see the accuracy of that. So it went up, came down here. This, when it came down like this, I felt like, okay, the trade has been invalidated. So I stopped. But I closed the trade in a little bit of profit, but it later reversed and went this high. Okay, even though my target was just around here. So crazy move, very beautiful move here. Similar thing with S&P 500. I'm expecting both of them to keep on rising, right? Keep on rising. Even though I've not drawn any targets here, sure. Not drawn any targets. Okay, we have targets for US30. You can see the 4-hour bearish order block here and the daily bearish order block as well. Those are targets that I'm looking at for this week. Okay, and then S&P 500, basically the same thing. This area here is going to be a very nice target. Okay, so very simple and very clear. The first target to be here though. Okay, so that's just it. That's just it for what I see this week. Bullish on US30, bullish on S&P 500, bullish on GBPJPY, bullish on gold. USDJPY bullish as well, but it is actually misbehaving right now. On Euro USD and GBP USD, I am bearish for now. But if we get down here, then my bias will change to bullish. Yeah, so that is all for today. I wish you guys a good trading week, and I hope we all end the week smiling. All right, so that'll be all. Do take care. Hey, so if you got to this point of the video, that shows that you actually like this content. So please like and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube can show my videos to more people like you who would find this valuable. And it's totally free. That's the best part. It will literally take you less than 3 seconds. So please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm waiting. In fact, I'm going to count down for you. 3, 2, 1. All right. See you later.